this is a little introduction of what I will be showing you, which is my Healthy Living 101 featuring my exercises here in the UAE. Yeah! Please like and subscribe. So we need to be healthy and to move, so that we'll avoid sicknesses, right? Now look at this. So we have this. It's just free to use. I don't know who gave this to us, but to us. We're gonna use this, guys. Let's go. It's just like this. Okay, this is for the thumbnail. Strong, mama. I told you this is just an introduction, but look, it's turned on. There's a set mode and reset, and it's like a biking. Yeah. Later we're gonna do more to make us healthier. My goal is to improve my body build. It means to increase more of my muscles. So I will be having also my lifestyle change in terms of my diet, my sleeping habits, and others. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Oh no, see you next time.